the need was there. And so what I'd say is whether it's this part of getting buy-in and the change management at head office, or as we continue to talk, the rollout through the field, it still comes back to a simple why that has to resonate. As similar as it would be to bringing in a new CRM or a new system or getting everybody there on board on why we're doing this, how we're going to do it, what the KPIs, measurables are going to be, and what the return on investment is going to be, because you're stepping into a new way of working that's going to cost money up front that hopefully has the payout. It's high touch at the start, making sure that there's an infrastructure for people to share best practices, to talk about it, talk about what's not working too, where they're having challenges, and to have that channel be open to the team at the office as well as ODAIA. You have to be patient at the start to understand that there's a way forward on this. So my advice would be to embrace that, and with a bit of a glasses half full growth mindset. Every little bump, as long as that's passed back and treated as a learning and something you can turn into a positive, I know you're going to get there. We did. Our pilot, we ended up stretching out further than we thought, but it was to land it exactly the way we wanted it for a national rollout with hundreds of people in a room on the stage, and it worked. So seeing it through, but taking the time to work back and forth with the team to make it fit for your brand, your business, whatever it might be, is it's work up front, but it matters.
Yeah.